This is our Bridgeport milling machine. It's got a 42-inch table, it's got a 3-axis DRO system, it's got power feed in the X and the Y axes, and it's had a full stripped down service of this machine. It's had an awful lot of new parts as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run through and just show you they're all working. So turning it on, make sure your guard is closed first or it won't fire up. So close the guard, press the green button on the bottom. Okay, so just explain the switches on the bottom row. So this one closest to me, that's the coolant pump. I can hear it running in the back. You probably can't on the video, but it is running in the back. Okay, there's all new coolant pipes as well. This is on the outfeed, and feeding back there's all new pipes as well. So the next one is for your power feeds. So they both run off the one, that needs to be down. Next one is the slotting head, which is not fitted, so you don't need that one. It can be anywhere. Next one is for the main machine itself, for the main head here. So that needs to be down, and then you can press the green one. So as all fires up, press the E-stop and all shut down. The same as if you open the guard, everything will shut down. Okay, but even if you open the guard, the light and the DRO system stays on. Obviously it would be quite annoying if they shut down and the guard is open. So the E-stop brings in, so the guard is open, it brings on an E-stop condition which shuts down power feeds and the variable speed head as well. So anything that could cause a problem, it shuts it down and makes the machine safe. Okay, so you know, this has had loads of new parts. It's an absolutely lovely machine. There's almost no backlash at all. In the X, it's lovely and smooth all the way across. This table is absolutely unmarked really. So that's beautiful. The same with the Y-axis. Now they've both got safety handles because there's power feeds, so obviously you have to have a safety handle. So these ones are push in to operate drive. And again, this is lovely and smooth all the way across the axes. It's a brand new lead screw in there and a new nut as well. It's got the benefit of chrome slides. We've got standard pictures as well, still pictures. You'll see just how good the chrome slides are. They really are excellent. So that's all fine. Same with the knee, stripped down service. There's a new bearing in the knee as well. That's lovely, quiet and smooth. That's all fine. All been serviced, all ready to go for you. There's locks here, so there's the Y-axis lock. Just make sure they're not on when you're traversing the power feeds as well. So the lock's here for the X, the Y, and there's the knee down here. They're all serviced and working fine. The lube system's all been serviced. You'll see there's new pipes there, there's new lube valves as well. And the pump is also working. So just give the pump a go every sort of 8 hours just to keep the machine in good condition. That is quite critical you do that, obviously, to keep your investment in good shape. Okay, so firing up on the X. These are all variable speed as well. So you should be able to see this axis moving on the X moving on the DRO here. And I'll put the Y on as well. So these are both variable speeds and they have rapid override. Rapid override whatever you want to. So you can see they both run quite happily together. Put them on a higher range. So just to show you them both working quite happily together. Just to be kind to the power feeds. When you're going to go from one direction to the other, just go to the middle and stop before you go the other way, just to be nice and kind to it, you know. Okay, so if you're happy with the bottom end, we're going to move on to the variable speed head and the quill. So ensure that you're engaged in gear, make sure that's actually locked in before you fire anything up on the variable speed head. So that's done with the top, this switch here. You hear how quiet that is, I'll just knock something off. Okay, so it's lovely and quiet. So that's 3000 RPM and it's still can talk just fine right next to it. And That's back down to 450 again, beautiful and quiet. Back to 1000 RPM, and I'll switch direction as well. That's in the opposite direction now. Back down to 450. And then back up to 3000 RPM as well. There we go, it's about 11. There's 1000 RPM there. So I'll just brake the spindle as well when I turn it off, just to show you the brake's working. So that's the brake. So you wouldn't normally use the brake like that. It's just purely to show you it working. The only reason you'd use the brake is just to take the drawbar out. That's the only reason it's there. Okay, I'm going to change to low range now to let you hear that. So sometimes this handle can be in the way, so you just move it out of the way. Push in, twist round, and ensure it is locked in before you fire up. It's just as quiet in low range. All the way to the bottom. And all the way to the top. I'd say 220 or 2200 is probably about the top you'd want to go on a Bridgeport variable speed head. You know, they're not really designed to be used at 3000 RPM, you know. It's too quick really for Bridgeport. Okay, so both directions it's just as quiet, you know. And we've actually done a cutting demo as well, so you can hear it doing the cutting as well. Okay, so back around now, just to show you that, just before we go back to high range, there's actually a neutral position, so when the handle's just here, you'll find the spindle with free wheels, so that's there for doing any clocking, any sensors, any holes or anything like that. And then make sure you get it in before you fire it. Make sure it really is into the high range before you go fire it up. Okay, so just to show you, it does change it changes just fine. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the feed and the quill. I'm going to make sure the lock's off. There's a lock here for the quill. Push it like that, that locks the quill. Make sure that's off. Make sure the quill slightly, it doesn't want to be all the way up the top or all the way down the bottom, or it won't engage. Okay? So it's currently, for every spindle speed you have 3 different feeds. It's currently the slowest feed. I'm going to put it in the highest. Okay, so that's in the highest. Now we pull this, and you see the feed engage. You see the handle going round. So obviously you can adjust that stop to wherever you want it to be. And when it hits it, it'll just lock on, it'll just turn off automatically. I'm now going to reverse it. We're still in the same spindle direction, but I've reversed the feed with this lever here. And I'll reverse it again just to show you working. So this needs a delicate touch. Don't hit that with any hammers or anything, it'll just break instantly. So it just wants to be teased in every time. It's quite a big gear there to just tease it. Okay, so that's all working fine. So just to show you the spindle lock, so we're all the way up at the top. You can lock that off. You see the spindle's good and locked now. And just to demo the guard, fire the machine up. Everything's running. Open the guard, and everything shuts down. Okay. So many thanks for watching. That's the demo over. Please come down and see the machine for yourself.